na guys. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, magluluto ako ng stir fry beef with onion leeks. So, ito ang gagamitin ko guys. Hiniwa ko nito guys. Yan, maninipis. Dapat ang paghiwa guys, yung crosswise. Yan. Napansin nyo yan, manipis na siya. Okay. Then, gagamit din ako nitong onion leek, cornstarch, garlic, soy sauce, black pepper, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Napakadali lang ito yung guys. Imamarinate natin itong beef guys. Yan. Okay. Yun. Well drain na yan guys. Lalagyan natin ng soy sauce. Pepper. Yan guys. Oyster sauce. Yan guys. 1 spoon. Yan natin to guys. Kalahati. Okay. Haluin natin guys. Ito guys, madali lang to guys, ma-dissolve yung niya, kaya pagka pwede nang i-grilled, stir fry. Okay, so lagyan natin ng cornstarch. Ayan na guys, ganyan lang. Ayan. Itasad lang muna natin. Na yung onion leeks natin guys, itatanong ko ito guys, kaya ganyan lang. Yan, itatanong ko to guys. Okay. Okay. I-blanch ko muna ito guys ng konti. Yan. Okay. Seasoning. Okay. Okay guys, pwede na yan. Yan na guys, ito na yung nakamarinate guys. Lagyan na natin. Mainit na yan. Kailan mainit. Yan. Okay, balik na natin. Ayan guys. Lagyan na natin itong garlic. Okay. Lagyan natin ng kunting tubig guys. Yun. Lagyan natin ng half teaspoon sugar. Okay guys. Ganyan lang magluto ng stir fry beef with the onion leeks. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.